Tip 9. Prioritize vocabulary expansion. Because we know that language is a gatekeeper to content mastery, competent application, and accurate insight, one of the best support structures is to prioritize students' vocabulary expansion. Select a few key words each week, academic and discipline-specific, and highlight them. Revisit, use them in different contexts, and invite students to do the same through prompts. An effective way to build vocabulary through meaning, structure, and word history is to expose students to basic etymology during learning experiences. Etymology reveals word meaning through roots and origins, and increases retention, as students remember better when they understand why a word is structured a certain way. It also helps with decoding unfamiliar vocabulary, which is crucial in an academic context. When students understand the most common word parts, it supports their understanding when encountering unfamiliar words. Let's look at some examples. Pre, meaning before, as in preview, pretest, predict. Re, meaning again, as in rewrite, redo, return. Un, meaning not, as in unhappy, unknown, undo. Bio, meaning life, as in biology, biography, biodegradable. Some examples of root word are port, meaning to carry, as in transport, portable, export. Spect, meaning to see, as in inspect, respect, spectacle. Some examples of suffixes are ology, which is the study of something, such as biology, geology, psychology. Ment, which is the result of action, such as in development, punishment, statement. The stories of words. Students often enjoy the story of a word and are surprised when they discover interesting links. This builds vocabulary and helps students to make connections while building their neural networks to decode and interpret. Example: salary comes from the Latin salarium, meaning salt money because Roman soldiers were once paid in salt. Tie words to academic subjects. Connect etymology to curriculum content to help students build cross-disciplinary understanding and support content vocabulary, for example, in science, geo-earth, astro-star, therm heat. In social sciences, demo people, Chrissy rule, anthro-human. In math, try 3, cent 100, poly many. We know from research that vocabulary acquisition is one of the most significant building blocks for English proficiency. Words, like facts, are difficult to remember out of context and should therefore be practiced in conversations, through reading, and by listening. Remembering words is greatly facilitated when a student has a network of information with which to associate a newly encountered word. By engaging with basic etymology, students increase their ability to figure out unknown and complicated words with more ease. Vocabulary expansion is crucial to build English proficiency, and etymology, as a tool in this process, is a useful and effective strategy.